All right, everyone, this is a one-of-a-kind. Take a look at this 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor. These vehicles were going for like $100,000 over list when they first came out. This one in particular comes in silver with black interior. Does come equipped with LED headlamps, brake assist, 17-inch off-road wheels, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted controls, only 7,000 miles, upgraded 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto. It does have that 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine, so you still are going fast and saving gas. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6815.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.